Okay, Mercedes-Benz Sprinter, you have a leak from your air conditioning unit on top of your roof. Most of the time, the leak is from underneath the gas, underneath the tray. The gasket fails, so many people caulk that. But there's also the problem that water actually gets in the tray itself. Somehow it gets through the cover, through the styrofoam, and gets in here. And once it's in here, there's so many components here that the water seeps in. Right here, right here. So you have to prevent the water from getting into the tray itself, besides underneath it. Okay? Once I put the styrofoam down, I'll show you what I'm gonna do. So what I've decided to do is fill the gap with some styrofoam filler. I think they're called some type of rod, I think it's called. I'm not sure. I don't remember the name of it, but it's a styrofoam. They use it for like filling in gaps. So I figure it fits perfectly there. And then I'll use the tape between this and the lip here. So if any water gets underneath that cover into this section and it rolls down, it won't go inside the pan. Okay? And underneath I got the silicone. So this is my last resort. I hope this is the final repair. Now you can use different type of tapes. For example, this one here, it's more for window wrapping because it's just plastic. This one's the same thing. Look at it. It's just skinny coating. It's for window wrapping, for weatherproofing, for wind. This one has a foil on it, which is a little better. But this is the one I'm talking about. It's like aluminum, and it's rubberized. It's for, it's for roofing. So this is good for water resistance, and it's very flexible. Once you stick this on, it won't come off. So you got to make sure you put it on right. I'm not sure what this is called. I just happen to have it from previous jobs that I do. I use this for shower pans. Right around the shower pan before the tiles and the plasterboard goes down, or the cement boards go down, and it really does a good job in sealing. So I'm going to use this and see what happens. So this is what I decided to do. I caulked underneath the pan. I put the backer rod in between the styrofoam and the lip, and I decided to put this tape, roofing tape, over everything, not just the lip, but also down to the roof. So now I know no water is going to penetrate. Okay, do your best to make it nice and tight so that the cover can fit on it. All right, so that's my solution, and only time will tell when I put it together and see what happens. I'll keep you updated. All right, let's see if water gets through this.